Another issue that I'm hearing about, or that I'm being asked about, is the home equity world. I send out this commentary, and there's plenty of ads for companies that are offering, HELOCs and seconds and so forth. And I think the last stat I saw from the NBA, there's something like, I don't know, it depends who you ask, whether it's the NBA or ICE or Dark Matter or whoever, Totality. I lose track of who's calculating home equity numbers out there, but it's 20, 30, 40, 50 trillion, whatever. Let's call it 35 trillion of home equity that's out there. Now, granted, a good chunk of that is from people who own their own homes. They have no interest in getting a mortgage. They're set, they're done, leave me alone. But needless to say, it's up considerably from where it was 10 or 15 years ago, certainly from pre-COVID. Ira, what are you doing, or what is your staff doing, knowing that there's this huge amount of home equity that's out there? Not all of it's tappable, but some of it is. So what are you doing from a capital markets perspective to help them?
Yeah, we've really been pushing everyone to keep in front of their clients and say, listen, we know you're sitting here with your 3% note rate, your 2%, 2.5 note rate. Now's the chance to tap into some of that equity. And we have a few different outlets, whether it be HELOCs, HELoans, various different options that we're just pushing them as another sort of option for these borrowers. Obviously, the borrowers, we don't want them to give up that 2.5 note rate, right? It'd be silly. But holidays are coming up, expenses are coming up, and instead of tapping into their bank accounts, obviously it makes sense to take out a HELOC or a HELoan and take advantage of that tappable equity, especially if someone's not looking to sell. They could pay off that loan, they could pay off that line down the road. So we've been really making a big push to try and get people to keep in front of their borrowers, especially their servicers are going to be doing the same thing. The servicers are not going to be recapturing a 2.5 note rate. They're going to be trying to push a HELOC themselves. So I'm trying to get in front of them before the servicers do. It's sort of not too different than a regular refi cycle.